Hello everyone, I'm Chie. Today I would like to talk about 3 essential elements for good singing. Number 1, diaphragmatic breathing. Number 2, open throat. Number 3, resonance. What are they? So number 1 is diaphragmatic breathing, meaning that you're going to use the diaphragm, which is the organ, like a sheet of muscle sits at the bottom of the lungs to breathe deeply. So when you breathe in, the diaphragm gets pushed down as if somebody jumps down on a trampoline, boom, and the trampoline sags. You're going to feel the same effect. Breathing in, the diaphragm goes down, this area, stomach, and the navel area goes out forward. And then as you exhale, it goes back flat. So avoid heaving your chest or the shoulders because that's really indicating you're not breathing deeply. So making sure the neck and the shoulders and chest are calm, and you're going to breathe in to the stomach and breathe out. When you actually breathe out, that's when you're going to breathe and when you use the breath to do all kinds of things with your voice. So please learn how to do this. Diaphragmatic breathing, that's number 1 element. And now out of those 3 elements, number 1, the diaphragmatic breathing is the most essential because you're creating the power or fuel for your singing. So without power, no good singing. So number 2 is open throat. Open throat means that you're going to keep the throat open in order not to undermine your effort of creating great breath flow. So in the analogy of water fountain, you have this mechanism of pump churning and pushing up the column of water, and there's a strong column of water shooting upward, and yet somebody comes and put the cap suddenly on top of the spout. Then what happens is no water or just a meager amount of water trickling down. So the same thing happens if you tense up the throat or you don't have enough space behind your tongue. You're going to end up minimizing or reducing the breath flow you just created by half or even less. So you want to avoid that. The best way to feel that open throat is just to yawn. The hard palate of the mouth goes up, and then you're going to feel that space that's called pharynx behind the tongue opens up, and ideally you're going to keep that space open for the whole one single flow of breath. Okay, so that's number 2. Number 3 is resonance. Resonance are the ringing that you're going to feel in certain cavities of your body, namely the chest or the mouth orifice or around the jaw, or nasal cavity, or behind the face, or even the skull. So there are 2 benefits of learning how to create resonance. Is 1, you actually can pinpoint where the pitches are. Like a low notes tend to vibrate here, middle is right here, and the top is right there. So if you want to sing in a good intonation and avoid this embarrassing moment of, oops, I'm singing off pitch, you really want to have to store this conscious memory of where the vibration took place in your various parts of your face and head and chest. So that's one thing. Also, the second benefit of learning resonance is that you actually going to beautify your voice by adding more harmonics, because basically your voice is bouncing up and down against the hard palate inside you that creates this beautiful echo effect. So instead of singing very straight one-dimensional tone like ah, you're gonna have ah, more depths, a little bit more three-dimensional, beautiful, richer, deeper tone. So that's a side benefit of, or main benefit of resonance. So in a nutshell, number 1, diaphragmatic breathing, number 2, open throat, and number 3, resonance. Those are the basic elements that you would want to really learn before you go above and beyond doing anything technically fancy. So in the future videos, please look for playlists for the separate 3 elements, and I would like to create some exercises, fun things to do, maybe sing the song together. So if you like this video, please click like button and maybe subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment for your suggestion or questions related to the channel topic, and hopefully I will see you next time soon. Thank you so much for watching.